So the module access and the site configuration is this little option here, this little module access here. And I'm actually on a private network because we have some uh, other things to click, but I'll just show you a view you're familiar with. So I'll click module access, and these are essentially all the enabled modules on your site. And these are all the available modules um, that are basically offered by Cyberschool, as this is the most modern template. And essentially what's going on here is I can click on or I can disable any of these modules here, and then those modules actually won't be able to be accessed. So let me go ahead and I know there's two links there. Don't worry about what those are. Um, let's just say, let's see. Let's try, again, there's two slideshows. Let's see social networks. So let me save this here and refresh. And now let me go to the home page, add widget, and look, there is no social networks widget. But let me go ahead and go back in module access and re-enable social networks. And then back on the home page, oops, the add widget there. And then there's that social networks there. So this module access basically allows you to enable or disable specific modules in Cyberschool. So if you don't want any of your staff members using, say, the jobs module or homework or scope or countdown, if you don't want them using any of those modules, you can just disable them right from this module access.